First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is that lever that needs to be turned towards the right side completely, and then we need to lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about that needs to be turned towards the right side, and then we lift up the hood. Once the hood is opened, facing from the front underneath the battery, notice there is that location for engine air filter. On the left side, there is that tab that we are supposed to pull down. First bracket is pulled down. Notice similar bracket is at the back side that also needs to be pulled down. A little tight spot right there. There it is. Once both the brackets are pulled down, what we'll do is we'll grab it from this side right here, and while holding it like this, we will lift up the top cover from the housing part. Once taken out, now we just have to tilt the top cover to take it out completely on top. And right there is our engine air filter. While holding the top cover like that, we'll go ahead and pull out the engine air filter from here. There it is. That is how we take out the engine air filter for this car. In my case, the filter is new, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved side right there stays at the top, and the other side with this kind of black color stays at the bottom. Also, notice there is this tab coming out right here from this section that has to stay towards the bottom side before installing the filter. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the filter back. We lift up the top cover just like that. Then we go ahead and punch in the filter in that position. Make sure from all the angles it is sitting in position, and it seems like it is in this case. Once the filter is in position, now what we'll do is we'll grab the top cover and then slightly tilt it a little bit so that we could place it in that position underneath. You wouldn't be able to punch it in going straight. You would have to tilt it a little bit to place it in that position. Once the top cover is completely down, facing from the front, notice on the right side there are two tabs. There is one tab right here, and then there is the other tab on the other end at the back right there. Similar to those two tabs of the top cover, there are actually two positions at the bottom cover if I'm to show you. So there is actually one position here with the bottom cover, and above notice there is one more position right there as well. What we'll need to do is we'll need to hold down to the top cover just like this, and while holding the top cover like that, we'll go ahead and punch in those two tabs of the top cover into those two positions of the bottom cover. There it is. They both are slided completely in. Now we need to make sure the top cover is completely sitting down. Notice from this side, the bracket is actually holding on to the top cover. Just make sure to pull down the bracket so that the top cover is completely sitting down. Even if the bracket is not holding on to the top cover, I would still recommend to double check and make sure the top cover is completely sitting down in position. There, the top cover sits in there properly. Now we'll go ahead and punch in that bracket. First bracket is in position. The second bracket on top has a little tight positioning. We'll work our way out and carefully go ahead to punch in that bracket as well. There it is. With both brackets in place, that is how we replace the engine air filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.